figured we would bring y'all along with us to this little quick Ulta trip that we're about to take. We have to restock on some stuff, and then we're gonna do like a little haul at the end and show y'all what we got. Yes. So we don't want to do too much, but it's some stuff that we need, but it's not too much. It's kind of like a restock and see what else they got. Cause I love Ulta. We're like Ulta girls.
Yeah. Some people are Sephora girls, but I feel like
we have status at Ulta. Yeah, we have more of a status at Ulta. We do go to Sephora for certain stuff, but if they sell it at Ulta, 9 times out of 10, we're gonna be buying it out of Ulta. Okay, I'll get your purse and money. So in the next few clips, y'all will see us just in Ulta and see what we got, and what we get, we'll just show y'all at the end in the haul.
Yeah.
Oh, I was about to hit you, girl. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hold on, wait. 20% off. Okay, prepare. Oh, it don't look like they have it. Okay, y'all, so I found the skin tint. I don't know what my shade would be. This is 12. What do I think? I don't know, I feel like it gives ash. I don't have any more. I don't know why I feel like I would be 13, 14. And they don't have those testers. Oh, but that could be it. What y'all think? Can y'all see it, bro?
This is really good for me.
I don't know.
13 might be too dark.
13
You can try it if you want.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's fine. Why is it looking like that? Your niece wanted to see you. She about to see if that's my shade. Mm. 12. She said she don't think I should go any darker. Look. Say hi. I don't see it. She have it in her hand. They have them, they just don't have the testers. Can I hold you?
Oh, just choked off air.
Air. I think that's too light. Darker.
I was wrong.
Yeah. Because it's not giving.
That's too dark. Which one is that one? 15. Are you okay, Sakura? Try.
So really dark. Maybe I'm crazy.
Which one is that one?
14. Did you try it on?
Mm-mm. I didn't know if I could.
If it works out, you can buy it.
Gotcha.
But I can always just make it a tester.
Okay. This way.
Yeah. How you feel about it?
I can't really see.
In this way for me? I feel like it might be a smidge dark.
Turquoise. Can you see it? It look dark.
Oh, right there, yeah, I see it. If you got
Too
closer
dark?
to it, yeah.
Yeah. It's on the side. This might be a smidge dark.
Yes.
Got one more shade.
13.
Girl.
That is the wrong undertone.
Yeah.
What is it? Olive undertone?
That you're more of a golden. That's really light as far as an undertone
It looks
goes.
like I can't use this one.
I mean, you could get away with this one,
That was the
14.
14.
But
I can't really tell with that one.
I'm gonna try it on Oliver.
That one seems
Well,
to be better than that one.
It's just a
That would be a
smidge
good
dark.
contour.
It's just a smidge dark. Like you
Yeah,
could
this is dark.
work with it because it is sheer coverage, but it's still dark.
That's probably fine.
So please, you got the same. Yeah, it looks dark.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So you're looking for a skin tint.
Yes.
Okay.
I was looking.
50 as well.
I know they have
You
one.
might be able to find your shade better in that one.
Gotcha. Let's see.
They have more shades.
I can take this off.
She's just at the front.
Oh, yes, right here.
Here. You want something to play?
Put over.
Oh, snap.
That one.
The skin tint is.
No. That goes on your lip. And put that in your ear. What size? What are you in the? Oh, I got the bronze one.
I don't have that one.
No, it's on your lip. Yeah.
I have to watch it anyway.
Yeah.
You see that one?
So if you want to try that too, we can. You said she was like a warm, right?
A golden.
It's gonna be something like this. Warm
I think it might be the 20 that's
20. I gotta wash my face. You wash my face. Don't put that. That's a tester.
Oh, is that not what she's using?
She was opening new ones because they didn't have those. Don't do that.
My face is gonna burn off.
She was opening the new one because they didn't have the colors.
My face is gonna burn off. Don't put that in your ear. Stop putting it in your ear. I don't want to take you to the emergency room. Give it to me.
What in the world?
I told her to put it on her lip.
Well, let's see.
Okay.
I left my clip at your house.
You cannot put it in your ear though. You can't even get your story together.
And that's, you said that's
20.
Is it the same in those? Or would it be the same one?
I'm not sure if the colors match, but we could try it.
So we're not the same complexion. What are we? I'm a little bit a shade darker than you. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta even get a shade. So I'll let you go through all this and then I'll just show you the shade darker.
So awkward.
What I'm noticing is that this has a little bit more coverage.
Which one? The
This
stick.
one. Not bad. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Which one do you like better?
I don't like this one. But I like this one. I don't know.
It depends on like the convenience. Cause like you could just do, and then blend it
yeah.
in. Where this one you have to take the time to drop it in.
So that's a 22? Or is that a different
Yeah,
one?
that's the 20.
What do you think, sister? Do you see the difference?
Right here, and then there. The stick seems to have more
You can't
coverage.
really tell the difference. They both look like it's
Yeah, so the stick has a little bit more coverage.
I like
Then
the
the
stick.
skin.
They're the same price, 36. Yeah.
What number were you?
That's a 20.
20? So I need one, 21.
You gotta make sure it's the undertone's right in 20.
We have this golden, right?
You pull a little bit. You pull more like a neutral.
Neutral?
She's got more like golden hues.
So what, warm neutral or just
You can try the warm neutral.
You need a little thing.
Yeah.
Because please don't swipe it on your face again. Yeah, see, I'm a little bump.
Got Miss Bird.
But I think this one, she said inconvenience wise. I feel like a makeup girly just going like this. But yeah, 20. She's about to go. Do you want me to film that one too?
Let's go get this apple.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Perfect? Let me
Yeah. That like melted into your skin.
see. Oh yeah.
Okay, girl.
This one was 21. Oh, so you are. There goes
That was
21.
perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, girl, because that can be my brightest way to see it alone for a while. I mean,
Is there anything else I can help you with?
So this is all. Thank you so much.
Can you see it? Okay, girl.
I might wear this tonight. For real. That's what I was. Whatever we did, I was gonna keep it on all day.
I'm good with concealer.
I am too, even though I did want to.
I wanted to get me a two-faced concealer, but I didn't know which foundation. Jewelry.
She like,
Look at that, dude. I could use it as a contour.
yeah.
I'm trying to get into contour. I ain't this, but I'm trying to be a contour girl. If it was contour,
I'm trying to
you have go a
remember.
shade darker.
Yeah. I'm trying to remember what that
I
lady
should use a height one. I need to use the regular one. Then when I
the
master
little,
it,
what's the name? LA.
yeah. And then when I master it,
Yeah. Let's do a weekend. What's the name? Where's Murphy? Murphy right there. I need to look at that eyebrow pencil. Hourglass. Do y'all use Hourglass? Let me flip it. Oh, they don't have it. I have this face scrub. It's all gone, but it works miracles. This might be too dark. But then it might be just right. Hold on. Oh, no, not it open.
where is that?
This is chocolate mousse. Girl, please don't get in this. What name? That might be good. Might look like that's a
It's
question.
not elf though. Even tone super glow.
I had that.
Do you like it?
It came in a kit.
Did you notice anything?
Yeah, something like that.
What do you mean? Did you notice if it,
It came in this.
did it work?
Yeah.
How much is that?
It's 35, 36.
I feel like if I get that, it'll be the same price as me getting it separate.
Yeah. They come with a moisturizer and a dark spot treatment.
Okay, we'll try this out. Oh, where is jewelry? Oh, where could she be?
Let's go to Elf.
Oh, there you go.
Not, they have one too. Is everybody coming out with a little moisturizer kit? They literally have one for $15. That's half its price. Have y'all ever used it? Why does light look like that? I thought I should start with one of the like Elf. I mean, I could use NYX if I want to get into that. This one I need. I need a name. Which one? A total place or for an airbrush finish? What's that? Mush. Where did you get that from? Her? Why did you rub that on your face? You gonna have
Oh, the brush and the contour.
you say stressed.
Huh?
You say stressed. Girl, where did you receive that up from? And it was in a Can I see how this feels? I'm not lucky. Feel like I want this. I should take it down and rub it on my Y'all, please disregard.
Can they see?
Oh, they can't.
They can't see it.
Yeah. I've been trying to check her out. I'm scared. Can I use your blush?
My blush?
Yeah, really.
What with like the more?
This one?
Yeah, like this one. Is that the same one I got? I feel
What
like
is
this is
it?
the same. No, you got highlight.
You go cocoa? That's the one.
Oh, that's the blush. Okay, because the blush is blush, highlight, and contour.
Oh. I don't want that. I'm scared.
Do my contour. And do my blush. You're gonna
I
try
hope we
it.
don't look like a fool. Okay, Jordan. I think that's a wrap, babes. Oh, I can't call you babes? Oh, excuse me, Leon. I won't call you no more.
Correct them every time.
Jeez Louise. I know that now. Thank you. Okay, which one do y'all use? This one or the, what they call it? Power grip? I don't know. I feel like I want to try this one because it got niacinamide in it. Don't call me that. My name's Denisha. Now she can start calling you that. Don't be talking about it. Don't call me that.
Okay, so would you consider that a successful Ulta run? I guess y'all going to see the what is it Anastasia, the tint that I wanted. They didn't have my shade at all. It was either too pale or too dark. But then we ended up getting the Fenty, which I should have just went with from the beginning, but yeah, Riri don't fail us. Yeah, but yeah, picked up some things to show y'all once we make it back to the house. About to go to Target and Chipotle. Yeah, Target and Chipotle. So I have to get some detergent and some dishwasher pods. Very specific. Tell y'all, I am going on a no spin soon. They ain't gonna let me over. Just force your way over. Look at me, sound like a
And they speed it up. Don't do that.
go.
Why would you do that?
Let's see if they got any Target deals on their detergent. My brush?
They had some on, I think, Tide. Last time I checked, but you know, I use Gain, so. But I think they had some on Tide, if you use Tide.
Are y'all a Tide, Gain, or what is it, store brand? Or
Anything that's milk.
I like Tide. I will use Gain if I don't have any Tide, but I don't know what it is. But I love this. I love that you can smell the detergent when you put it. I don't know. I feel like I ain't clean if I can't smell the detergent. I don't know why. But then I use the Gain laundry burst. So I'm backwards. I can't even say that. But we're at Target now.
I like the Gain. It's a certain scent.
You know
you
what?
smell it.
You know what you're gonna make me do now? Was it good when you had the Doritos with your Chipotle?
I'm about to do that. That is exactly what I'm about to do. I'm happy you know that's what's about to happen.
I want to try it.
That's the only reason that I'm about to go here is to get some Doritos.
Are you gonna get the big family bag?
No. Why would I do that?
Y'all should even want to share with me.
Why would I do that?
I used to get my daughter a taco, a soft shell taco. That's if she'll even eat it. Because sometimes she'll eat it, sometimes she don't. My daughter's very picky. It be hit or miss for real when it comes to food. Y'all know if you have a toddler, y'all know it be hit or miss. But we're about to go in Target and
It's gonna
then
be open by the time.
Chipotle, and we'll pick y'all back up. It's a gloomy Saturday here in South Carolina. The braids, I'm loving it. This is my first time getting color in my braids. I like it. But we'll see y'all when we Get it good.
Yeah. I just want to know who else walks around the whole store just to go to the front to get what they need. Cause she does that, and I'm just trying to figure out why we just walked across the Everglades to get to this laundry detergent that's in the front. They don't have them in travel size, honey.
That's blasphemy.
They don't.
Call me out.
Who?
Because now she's trying to call me out.
I'm just saying we could have been in line right now.
Well,
I told you I was hungry.
I got everything I said I was gonna get though.
I guess.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom.
I guess. Oh, and y'all.
No one I can't eat don't tell me. I'm fine. My acid reflux. You wanna look like
So on TikTok, when I first did it, I did it with the regular nacho cheese Doritos. Then I went on TikTok and they said to do it with these because it tastes way better. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see.
get you some paint,
We're
but
gonna
not
see.
right now.
Hopefully,
Okay.
I'm gonna say
The bubbles that you're getting. That's a win.
it's already almost 1. We're supposed to be going to dinner at 3. Let's see how this goes.
We're back.
We made it from
Ulta, Target, and Chipotle. Y'all probably figure out we do a lot of errands, but it's only on the weekends. We rarely do anything during the week. We rarely even leave the house.
Honestly, unless we're going to each other's house for dinner or something. But that's literally it.
My lips chapped. So we're gonna show y'all what we got from Ulta to end off this part of the vlog, and part 2 will be coming up next. This is my sister's stuff. So she got this kabuki brush from e.l.f.
And it was only $6.
She got the Fenty Eavesdrop,
Which is basically like a tint moisturizer.
and I hope it looks good. She got the pen out, so
I picked that up. Y'all know how Ulta have the little things by the register.
they get you every time.
Every time. And I seen it, and it was only $3. So I said, ooh,
Oh, it's $3.
yeah, I guess this is my time to try it.
And then she got the Morphe Definer Brow Pencil. She's really good at brows, so I want to see how she does it. I think I spent the most money.
That's it.
Yep,
It was one.
that's it. Did something fall out?
But that was probably it. It was 4. Yeah, that was 4 things. Yeah.
That's what she got.
$50 later.
Mine was $108 before like my rewards and points kicked in, and I used another coupon. I stacked it. So if y'all didn't know that, you can stack coupons in Ulta. Well, the lady let me do it, so she let me stack my points in. I had a coupon, so I got this. Y'all, I swear by this. This
I know you.
This helps a lot with dark spots. Like I was telling y'all, I don't know if I told y'all, I had some dark spots on my face, and I was using this, and I got the topicals too, but I feel like this really did a job, and my sister put me onto this when she was going through it. I really wanted to just get a re-up on the actual cleansing balm and that, but when I looked at the price, my sister was like, it makes more sense to get this because it would have been more than $35. This was only $35. It would have been more than that if I would have bought them separately, because I think the drops by themselves was $35.
Yeah, and the actual bar is 15.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I got me some more setting spray. I have the Born This Way. I think it's not. Is the Born This Way?
Which one?
The setting spray. I think
You got what they call it? All night or something like that.
Yeah, one of those.
Whatever that thing.
I swear by that, but I want to try something else. I think my skin is getting used to it. So I got the NYX. My sister has this one, and I think my best friend has this one too, or she has another version of this. That's what made me pick it up, and I didn't realize my sister has it. And then I wanted to try this e.l.f. This is the blush, the cocoa blush. I want to get more into blush and contour. I've been feeling like my face be looking flat when I have on makeup sometimes. And the Fenty one that I have, I don't know if maybe I'm not using it right, but I don't feel like it brings any warmth to my face. So, wait, one of mine needs, oh, there it is. No, it's not. It's missing. I got 2.
2 what?
A blush and the I had bought 2 of them.
To make sure
And
they
then
fall on the ground.
I got the Fenty Eavesdrop like my sister. And I am the color 21. I'm a shade, she sounds a shade darker. And my undertone was different than hers. I had more of a warm undertone. So she put it,
You can't tell.
I think it's on this side of my face. But you really can't tell. That's how good it is, y'all. So I'm one of those people. I'm gonna try it out. If it don't work, I'm gonna take it back. A lot of people say they don't believe in take stuff back. I'm gonna get my money back.
Every single time. And y'all know with Ulta, even if you open it, you can return it.
Yeah.
So if you open it and you be like, oh, well, I can't take it back, girl. Take it to Ulta, take it.
Take it back.
They'll take it.
Stop.
All they're gonna do is ask you if you open it, if you used it. You say yeah, they're gonna give you your full refund.
Don't be afraid to take stuff back. Even if you get a store credit, you might find something else. Like, take it back. Don't keep it. It goes to waste. Baby, I'm gonna take it back.
Cause if I don't like it, it's no point of me to continue to look at it.
Yeah. So this concludes this part of the vlog.
Yes. Stay tuned for part 2.